Excel 5, Workbook, Model 8C. Exercise 1. Read the text and mark the sentences true or false. Sports Day. In the UK, there is one day that all the students look forward to, Sports Day. It always happens in summer and everyone takes part. In British schools, the students are in teams called houses. You can win points of your house all year round with good work and good behavior, but you can also win points on Sports Day. Everyone wears a t-shirt that is the color of their house. They also wear trainers and shorts or trousers. There are lots of competitions on Sports Day. There are athletics events and other games too. Some of these are only for Sports Day, and unless you go to a British school, you probably don't know about them. For example, the sack race is like a running race, except the athletes have got their legs inside sacks and they have to jump towards the finish line. The egg and the spoon race is also like a running race, but everybody has to carry a spoon and balance an egg on it. If you drop your egg, you lose the race. Everyone's favorite competition is the three-legged race. Two students are in each team. They stand next to each other and tie two of their legs together. Then they have to run. It's really funny, and you are lucky if you reach the finish line without falling over. It's great to win a medal on Sports Day, but the real reason everyone loves this day is that it's so much fun to play sports with all your friends. As the British say, it's not the winning, it's the taking part. The first sentence: the students are in houses only on Sports Day. False. The second: everyone wears trainers. True. The third: students take part in athletics events. True. The fourth: there are 3 people in each team in the three-legged race. False. The fifth: people often fall over in the three-legged race. True. The sixth: winning a medal is the most important part of Sports Day. False. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences. The first: Sports Day always happens in summer. The second: students wear t-shirts that are the color of their house. The third: the sack race is like a running race. The fourth: if you drop your egg in the egg and spoon race, you lose. The fifth: everyone loves Sports Day because it's so much fun to play sports with all your friends. Exercise 3. Listen and choose the correct answer. Hi, Alan. What is that? It's my tennis racket. I love tennis. It's my favorite sport, but I don't play it because I have no practice hockey every day. Yes, tennis is a fun sport, but my favorite is skiing. I can't go very often though. What is Alan's favorite sport? Tennis. The second: Becky, can I borrow your yellow t-shirt? I need it for Sports Day. Aren't you in Fleming House? They wear green. No, that's Simpson. What house are you in? Jenner, we wear red. What color t-shirt must Becky wear? The color red. The third: Hey Lizzie, where are you going? To hockey practice, but it's only 4 o'clock. Yes, on Tuesdays we practice from 4 until 5, but on Fridays we start at 6. What time does hockey practice start on Tuesdays? At 4. Exercise 4. Complete the sentences with the correct sport. Then answer questions 5 about yourself. The first: hello, my name is Jeff and I am 14. My favorite sports are football and basketball. The second: Hi, I'm Tonya, and I'm 12. My favorite sport is badminton. The third, hello, we are Nadia and Eva, and we are 15. Our favorite sports are tennis, water polo, and gymnastics. The fourth, hello, my name is Greg. I am 13 years old. My favorite sport is hockey. The fifth, what is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is hockey. Exercise 5. Listen and complete the note. Dear parents, it's time for the school sports day. Please join us for this fun and exciting event. The date and time is Friday, 20th June at 1 p.m. The place is Little Town Middle School. Students must wear a t-shirt, shorts and trainers. Students must bring a bottle of water and a hat with them. Many thanks, Mrs. J. Greenwood, head teacher.